Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for oil and natural gas. Last week the secret strategy was to go long and we had given you the trading levels that oil might rise again, and same with NG. This week oil went till 116 and NG crossed even $5.6 levels. Now what is going to happen this week and what strategy to adopt, I am going to tell you. First we will analyze the charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the behavior and then I'll be giving you and revealing the strategy for next week. So do watch till the end. And yes, those who are new to the channel, I do share my daily analysis also for oil and NG, and this video I release just with the Asia session opens, where I provide my analysis for major global markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40, Nifty, and also commodities including gold, silver, and oil and natural gas. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with oil first. See, this is the weekly charts for oil, and we saw that this was the breakout oil gave last time. This is the breakout candle after this consolidation. It rose till 128, then dropped nicely, retraced back, completed this price action, and reversed nicely. I had told last week very specifically that it is a retracement and breaking this channel, it may rise again. So for next week, you can see, firstly, it has failed to cross the previous high. Also, it is trying to trade in this channel, but after any such retracement, it is a reversal which is to be considered. And yes, if you see oil trading above this zone at 115 next time, definitely you can go long. The nearest resistance it may get at 118, and then beyond that it will fly towards 120 plus levels. So yes, a good level to go long appears to be at around 115 levels. At the same time, see, there is a support available here at around 108 levels. So 108 level definitely going to be a stronger support. Breaking 108, you can expect it to drop again. However, what I expect that probably we may see another greener candle and it can resume the rise. However, it needs to break this 115 level. If it breaks 115, definitely you can expect that it is going to rise and give a greener candle. Now this is what we can see on the weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, on the daily charts too, there is a support at 105 it is created. And if you look at, see, this was the support, this is the breakout. Now it has got its support at 110 and 108. So with this as support, and as I shared, if you see it rising above 115, it means it is trying to give a breakout. In fact, one can in fact go long at 114 itself, but I will recommend to keep a little bit of cushion, and beyond 115 you can again expect that oil is going to give a strong rise and it may try to come back till towards 121-22 zone, but at least 120 should definitely get achieved. Now look at this, the previous candle at the same time it failed to breach the highs for previous candles. Three consistent candles, lower highs and lower lows here. So yes, breaking 108, I will say this time it is going to be 107 levels, and breaking 107, possibly that is the level below which one can go short on oil, and one can expect that it is going to drop below 103 and $100 levels, else it may continue to rise. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly charts. See, on the monthly charts the candle is already green, and I don't think so that it is going to turn red and it is going to drop below 95 levels. Yes, 95 is going to be the strongest support for this week also if it continues to drop also. Now why I'm saying that possibly, see, first of all, we must see that this is a again trading in this channel. The channel highs are here at around 112 113 zone, and possibly if you see that the body size may close, if it closes above the half size of the candle, complete candle almost, it gave a rise till at 128 from around 93 levels, and it is like $30 move, more than $30 move. And yes, if you see, probably it has to close beyond the half size of the this candle. That means at least with 20 points. So it has to close above 115 levels this week. That is what is my expectation. In fact, it can try to touch 120 and then try to come back. So a possible rise can be expected. That is what I am looking forward to. It can rise a bit towards 118 120, in fact cross 120, and then towards the end of the week, towards the end of this month, probably it may come down, or it may trade sideways for next 4 days and then it may give a rise in next monthly candle. That is what also can be expected. Now this is just on the candlestick charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators, what the indicators are suggesting. And let me come back to again on daily charts. If you look at the daily charts, see, this is the 20 period exponential and simple moving average between 110 and 108. Now these levels between 108 and 110, in fact 107 is also a pivot. In between this zone, that has got stronger support out there, and there is a support at resistance at 115 114 zone. So if it breaks out beyond 114 115, definitely go long. If it breaks down below 108 108 levels, definitely one can remain short. Almost $5 a move, we have to be little watchful. And if you see, directional movement is bullish, and yes, it is overbought on the stochastic, looking downwards here, and hence any breakdown below 108 should be a good level that yes, you can expect it may try to give you sharper red candles and again head till towards 95 level probably. So if it tries to break from here, it may give a stronger breakdown. Now look at the stochastic is in the still in the buy side, and it has just crossed over 3 days, 3 candles back, and probably if it gives a stronger green candle, probably it will become divergent and remain in a bullish zone. So MACD is comfort, RSI is not showing any signs of it's overbought or oversold or bearishness or bullishness. Here it is trading in a comfort zone. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels and the strategy on how to go long and where to go long for next week. Let's see where to go long and how to take profit next week. First, if you see it trading above 114.2, go long there and expect it to hit 116 again, which may provide a little resistance. Then it will try to get 117.9, and then it will try to hit 120. In fact, we can expect that probably it can try to give a rise till 121 before looking forward to a drop. Also, for first 4 days of the week, it may try to drop and then give a rise for next month itself. That is also very much probable. But a short entry, now see, any point of time, how you should trade, you should take a long entry there. If the first target get achieved, put a stop loss or exit half of your positions or exit complete positions. If you have exited half of the positions, continue with the remaining for the rest of the week. And if you have exited complete position, try to see exit only if you see it reversing, and then you can again re-enter at these levels and again try to profit from there. So take trade accordingly. Also, if you see it continuously unidirectional, put your stop loss, keep shifting your stop loss at every resistance levels. So once it crosses 116, you can shift it, and you see it hitting 118, put your stop loss at 116 and try to trade accordingly. Now let's say where to go short. So if you have to profit, see, we have to make money either sides. We have to see how it's behaving, and below 110 levels one can go short. One can expect that it is going to hit 108.2, and then it will try to go till towards 105. Below 105, one can also expect 103.3 and then 100.6. Below that, it will try to directly hit 97 and 95 levels. Any move below this will be a strongly bearish move. I don't expect that it is going to happen. But yes, these are markets. Anything can happen. Anything is possible. So trade with stop loss, trade with the levels, and take your profits accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Look at the daily charts for NG. I told very clearly any move beyond $5 levels, 5.02 specifically, will make it rise strongly, and it is given at a same, it is trading in the same upward trending channel. Now if you see it trading below 5. I will say 5.45, then only I will recommend you to go short and expect that it is going to drop again, as this is the second candle. Now the support level at around 5.2 will come into picture. If it drops below 5.4, it will try to hit 5.2, else this is the second candle after this bullish breakout, and possibly the high at around 5.7, and here at 5.9 can be seen. In fact, 6 can also be achieved. It may try to give a single large candle which might take it towards $6 levels. That is also very much possible. So if it trades till the time next week, you see it trading above $5 levels, possibly yes, it may continue to rise and it can try to hit $6 levels also. Now $5.5 levels, and I say yes, it has to trade above 5.5 next week for it to remain in a bull zone, and it can continue to rise beyond these levels. Look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, This is the breakout I had told very clearly. If you see it trading above $5 levels, go long, close your eyes, go long. That is what has happened. It has given a strong breakout now. Now this is just a second candle, and possibly it has given a flat closing with a high at almost at the top. Now if you see it trading above 5.6 levels, yes, I think 5.66, which is going to be little bit which is going to provide a little resistance. If you see it trading above 5.66, you can take a long entry, and then you can expect that it is going to give another long green candle, which might try to take it towards $6 levels, and then 6.18 will come into picture. So a possible long entry at 5.66 can be taken, and then one can remain long on NG. Also look at this. This is trying to trade with this as support, and if you see, in fact, if you see it dropping till 5.3, 5.4, one can again take a long entry there at 5.3, 5.4 and expect that it can try to rise. So yes, I am still bullish, but let's see. Also now look at the monthly candle. So I had told in my monthly analysis, I had told many a times before that see the previous candle almost 3.6 to $5 levels. In my last analysis, do watch my last analysis. I told very clearly that it is, look at this monthly candle, almost $1.4 of move, and in this candle itself 4.5 to 1.4, almost 5.9. So it is going to hit 5.9 or $6 levels towards the end of the month. Yes, this is going to be a resistance also at 5.9, and hence probably the target for next week is going to remain at 5.9 and $6 levels. In fact, it can break beyond, and then from there we see it may try to achieve double top, and then see what it is trying to draw is this. It is trying to, it may form double top, and then from there it will start to break. So yes, and then the target is going to be towards $3 levels. So possibly, see, this is just an advance intimation. I am looking forward to this formation. Double top is going to form. It may try to hit $6.5 levels, and from there you can sell there next month. In the month of April, take a short contract, and then for next 2-3 months it will again try to come back till towards $3 levels in few months from there onwards. See, we have seen it rising for multiple months. Now the time for it to drop will come at around 6.5. So yes, it can hit 6.5 in the coming days, in couple of weeks or few weeks, and then from there you can expect it to drop. So this what you can see on NG. Now let's have a look at the indicators there. Indicators on the daily charts. First let's have a look. See, indicators on the daily charts to about 20, 50, 100 moving average. Yes, simple, exponential, both, and the support at around 4.8 and $5 levels is going to be imminent. This level at $5 is going to be the strongest support for NG for near term. And now look at directional movement is bullish, overbought on the stochastic, but it can sustain a bit. MACD is wide divergent, so probably next week itself we may see it coming to at least $6 levels, and then next month probably, if not this month, if it is really, and really it has to drop next month onwards, probably it may try to go towards 6.3, 6.4 this month itself, towards this week itself. Then it can try to hit 6.5, 6.4 in the first week of April, and then from there the break or the drop will start. So trade accordingly. But yes, it may try to, if it crosses 6.6, definitely it will remain bullish. So yes, I am bullish on NG. One can remain long on NG this week. Probably you can take a long entry beyond 5.6, and you can expect it to rise continuously. Now we have seen the MACD is wide divergent bullish, and RSI again coming to overbought levels. So probably the next couple of days I'll be watchful of, and we'll see how it behaves this week and this next couple of trades. Yes, it is bullish, and it can try to hit $6 levels this week itself. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels and where to enter, where to exit. Let me summarize everything for you so that you can make a good profit next week. So first let's talk about where to go long. I will recommend you to take a long entry at $5.66 levels. The next or nearest target is 5.8, 5.88, 5.95, 6.02. It can rise and hit till there. Beyond that, 6.1 and 6.13 can be achieved. It can rise till here, it can rise beyond that. Any rise beyond that is sky is the limit. So yes, one can remain long beyond 5.66, and I'll see this time it is going to go into an overbought zone on the RSI. However, the MACD is still wide divergence, so indicating probably there is a bullish edge, but it has to break. And yes, it can try to achieve 6.5, 6.6 zone, and if not this week, then next week, and then it may start to drop. So take your positions accordingly. And look at this on the downside. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below, first thing is 5.5 itself. If you see, or rather I will say 5.45 you can take. If you see it trading below 5.45, the next target is 5.32, 5.2, 5.02. See the previous resistance on the upside, now it's a support on the downside, so it can try to reverse from any point of time, but below 5.02 it is going to definitely break towards 4.91 and 4.8 levels. Any drop below this, the sky is the limit. But what I expect that probably before looking forward to a drop, the NG must see a high in next couple of weeks. It is going to hit 6.5, 6.6 zone before looking forward to a break. Possibly we may see 6.5 on the cards, and then from there you can take a 3 months forward contract and expiry of probably June, and then there you can take a contract for at least $4 or $5 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side for oil and natural gas. If you like and appreciate my effort, press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Also join my Telegram channel. The details are mentioned in the description. You can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch starting on 4th of April. The strategy start will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group, where you can trade as per the signals provided, and one can definitely profit from the signals. So this is all from my side. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. The links are mentioned in the description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.